A few years ago, when we were developing the frozen bearing technique, our intention was mainly to provide our customers an easy and quick replacement strategy. Say, for example, you have an office building sitting on a building-based isolation and you want to turn it into a hotel building, then the loads might change, the acoustic performance that you would require might change, and you might consider replacing or adapting your building-based isolation. And for this, the frozen bearing technology is ideal.
CDM Stravitec's frozen bearing technology technique, or simply FBT, allows us to replace structural bearings when the need arises without disturbing the building's structural integrity. Our unique frozen bearing technique allows building owners to exploit the full potential of the building throughout its lifetime. The process is quite simple, really. After we have evaluated the application and received the new loading conditions, our engineering team starts designing the new replacement bearings. Once the elastomeric bearings are ready, we mechanically compress them in our in-house lab. We carefully monitor the bearings during the entire pre-compression process, making sure they are evenly compressed to the required load conditions. Once the supports have reached the desired pre-compression level, they are cooled down to well below the glass transition temperature. Once the new bearings are ready, they are taken out of the ice and prepared for shipment to the construction site, where they can be installed. Upon arrival, a CDM Stravitec engineer first checks the vibration cut, making sure we have a completely even and clean surface. The pre-compressed frozen bearings are then unpacked carefully and quickly installed in the vibration cut. After installation, the bearings gradually start to defrost, thereby returning to their original state before compression. Once the bearings are fully thawed, we check the deflection, ensuring that the loads are properly supported by the new bearings.
We're very proud of the frozen bearing technique because in addition to providing our customers an easy replacement strategy, it allows us internally to design and supply our customers bearing assemblies that sustain higher loads with a very limited deflection during the construction works.